Alright guys, welcome back to the BrosAuto channel. So I finally got this Duramax all finished up. That's not the Duramax, but I'm fixing to jump into the truck and ride down to the bottom of the hill and let y'all take a look at it. But before that, I just want to say thank y'all for tuning in and watching all these videos. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe so you can see the future projects, because I do have one more project. I got a new project for y'all, and if you stay tuned to the end of this video, I will reveal it to you. I want to get a little personal with y'all. These projects that I do is something that I grew up doing, actually. The other thing I want to share with y'all is that this is not my everyday job. This is something that I do for fun, and I love doing it. So I will be buying more projects, and I just wanted to explain that BrosAuto channel is not just a channel that I just popped up in my head one day and was like, let's make BrosAuto. My dad actually 30, maybe 25 years ago started a company called BrosAuto Company back in Washington State. So that kind of inspired me to make that YouTube channel called BrosAuto. It's not just about me, it's about the brotherhood that me and my brothers have, and all people that love cars and love trucks and love building new projects and doing fun stuff with them. And all right, so let's go ahead and jump in this truck and head down to the bottom of the hill, and I'll let y'all take a look at that Duramax. We are going to the paint shop with a Duramax. Yes, sir. Let's go to V-Tune Garage. We got our new project right here, and we got our twin, the Goon Squad gang.
Always ordered it on iPhone. This is way better, way easier and stuff.
What's up, Goon Squad?
What's up?
Representing. Yo, what's up, Goon Squad? Reppin'. V-Tuned. We got everybody in the house today. YouTube get together.
So we got BrosAuto's truck over here. Everything is sanded down. All we need to do is go ahead and put it in the paint booth. Everything looks really good. We're gonna strip down the rear door, cut everything off of it. Basically ready for paint.
That's what's up. Check it out.
Are you doing a voice over that?
Probably.
Nah, don't be.
Alright guys, so here it is. Here's the Duramax in its glory, final glory. I got it all finished up, it's buttoned up, it's looking amazing. I mean, I can't thank the people that helped me with this build project enough. I mean, V-Tune Garage went above and beyond. They actually painted this whole side for me and they knocked it out pretty quick, so no complaints there. And the truck turned out amazing. There is a few things I'd like to discuss with you about this build. As you can see, it is a Texas truck, and the 22 by 12 by 35 inch wheels, the aftermarket ones that I did want to put on this thing, I was not able to put them on just because of one little thing, and I'll show you right now. You see this wheel? This is actually a 35 inch OEM style tire. Those wheels, they were super aggressive. They were like basically the same size wheels that are on my Dodge Ram. And when you turn in on those with a 2.5 inch leveling kit, they actually hit these fender flares so hard that is just, there's no tucking or anything that you can do to bypass the rubbing. So I was not going to actually lift this truck 7 inches just so I can clear those wheels. So that's gonna be it for this build, and I appreciate everybody watching these videos, and thank y'all so much. And go ahead and stay tuned and watch some future builds that we do on this channel. Thank y'all. Okay guys, so check this out. I just came down here to look at this Corvette. Good old Copart. And dang, see, there's many times it's nice to come out here and check these cars out, because you can see it's missing the air intake off the front of this engine. Let's see what else it's missing. One thing I'm not too happy about is